Hi, in this video I will show you how to disable game activity on Discord. So this one is relatively easy. What you need to do is just head over to your Discord application or to the discord.com itself on the browser. Once you have done that, you need to access your Discord settings, so click on the gear icon right here, which is your user settings. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see in this. So what we can do is we can head over and look for the activity option right here, or activity and private. If you can find it right here, what you can do is then click onto the search and just search in here for activity. So search in here, and we have in here the activity privacy. So click on this one. And then from in there, what you can do is you just need to disable the activity sharing. So we have in here the share detected activity. So make sure to untoggle this, and once it's turned gay, it should be able to do so right here. And don't worry because it will be automatically saved as well. So just click on the this access right here in order to save the changes that you have made. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.